Are you guys looking for a good portable nail drill? Well, today I'm trying out the Melodysusie portable nail drill, which I have been using for 5+ months. If you want to see how good this nail gel is, then definitely keep on watching this video because we are definitely going to be doing some crazy transformations, and I'm also sharing some tips and tricks on how to get a nice smooth removal so that you can transform your nails from this to this. So this morning I woke up to a very exciting package from Melodysusie. I was really looking forward to trying out this SP1 series nail drill, and they kindly sent it to me alongside with their lamp.
Nice.
And I just want to mention that this nail drill is currently on sale on their website for $58.99 and also $49 on Amazon. So just keep watching till the end of this video to see why you should run and get this, because I have been using this for about 5+ months, and let me tell you, I have not used a much simpler and more portable nail drill in my life. So what you saw from the unboxing was the nail drill, and as you can see, this nail drill is almost like a pen. It's literally just a simple thin one-piece nail drill. It doesn't come with any cords or anything, of course, unless you need to charge it, and it also comes with a pack of sanding bands and this really cute leather case. They also sent me their light, which I don't think I'm using in this video, but definitely stay tuned in the next video to see how it works. And you guys, this nail light is available on their website for about $20, and it's currently on sale from the previous $25. So definitely check this out if you're looking for some kind of mini LED light. Again, I will be trying this out in the next video, so stay tuned. And here I'm just quickly showing you how responsive it is. It's actually really interesting because I feel like it's gonna change the way you apply your nail tips as well. So honestly, very excited to try this out. So now going back to the nail drill, I'm just going to show you how I set it up, but as I'm showing you that, I just want to talk a bit about my experience with this nail drill. I started using this nail drill in about September, and at first I was kind of getting the hang of it. I found that it was a bit hard to use just because the settings were too low for me. I feel like I needed something more powerful. However, I think that I was happy when I started using it at around 15 RPMs for like a gel removal. Anywhere between 12 to 15 is good enough for this nail drill. As I started using this nail drill on a weekly basis, I use it on family and friends, I found that it was actually saving me my filing time so much. It was taking down nails so quick. It was making everything just so easy and so effortless. I feel like I was definitely putting in less energy to kind of remove my nails. It was definitely taking me less time. And it was just the nail drill I was always reaching for. I definitely felt like its small and compact design definitely made it very easy for me to carry around. I was recently on holiday, so it meant that I could literally just throw it in my handbag or in my suitcase and I would be good to go. And all I would need to bring is the little charging cable, which is a Type-C. So overall, super impressed with this design. I think Melodysusie definitely thought of a lot of issues with current portable nail drills and definitely implemented all the solutions to that into this one nail drill. I would strongly recommend you guys try this out. Unfortunately, I do not have a discount code. I'm so sorry, but honestly, it is on sale, so try and get your hands on it. It also, I believe it may come in a different color, but if it doesn't, I felt like this color was really cute. I love the gold. I haven't really used or seen many portable nail drills with this kind of style and design. It also does have the forward and reverse, and it also has the cute little dial at the top to kind of change up your speed. Despite loving this nail drill so much, unfortunately there is one con to this portable nail drill, and that is the battery life. However, this does depend on how much you're going to use this drill. I definitely used it a lot, and I found that I had to charge it at least twice a week, and I think that's a little bit more than my usual portable hand drill. However, I'm not complaining considering how easy it is to use this, how light it is, and just how quick it is at removing the bulk of the nails. I also wanted to show you guys how good this is with cuticle prep, because my nails ended up looking super clean and super nice by the end of this. I was super impressed with like how gentle this nail gel can also be, as well as how powerful it can be. And I was also really impressed with this cuticle bit that they included, because I don't have anything like this and I've been doing nails for a while, so I really appreciate that they included this in there. I also use this to exfoliate like around the cuticle where I have like some dead and dry skin, which really helped. However, later on you're going to see that I use something else to further get that dead skin off, especially now that it's winter here in London. I definitely have to use something a little bit more coarse to get that off, so just stay tuned for that. And I don't know about you guys, but I find this bit of doing my nails super satisfying and super relaxing, so let me know in the comments if you relate. I honestly love doing my cuticles. I just feel like it leaves an overall super clean finish to my nails, and it just makes everything look tidy even when you do like a nail extension. So let me know in the comments if you also think the same. Personally, I just love doing my cuticles. I also want to mention that you can use a buffing ball bit to remove your cuticles. However, I'm just used to using cuticle nippers and it's what I'm most comfortable with. There's also, I believe, cuticle scissors, which I've never tried and would actually love to give a go. But this is how I prefer to remove my cuticles. If it's your first time using cuticle nippers, be very careful and only remove the white part of the skin. Do not try to remove any more. If you see a little bit left underneath and you're not confident with removing it, use that same diamond bit or a ball bit and it should get that right off. But that's how quick it was to remove these nails, you guys. I think overall it took me at least 10 to 15 minutes for both hands, and I didn't show the other hand, but I definitely did do it, and I'll show you that, guys, that in the end. And something that I love doing is using a old, or not too old, but a sanding band with some worn out edges, and I love to use this to buff my skin. I'm using this on a speed of 2, and I feel like this gets all that kind of crusty, dusty nail skin off. It helps to exfoliate around the cuticles and just get everything that needs to be gone off there, so it doesn't look crusty when you do your nails or after you wash your hands. So the last step is to use the nail file that comes in this kit, and I'm using the 180 side, and I'm just using this to kind of clean up the free edge of my nails. This is the absolute last step that I do, just because I like to take care of the cuticles first and of course remove any gel product, and then I leave this bit till the end. So this is what my nails looked like before, and this is what they look like after. So I'm absolutely in love with this nail gel. Don't forget to check it out on their website, or they also have it available on Amazon. Don't forget to drop me a comment of what you think of this nail gel and if you've tried it out. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.